Data is simply a collection of information. For example, here is a table containing information about a selection of cars. The information consists of the car type, the car color, the mileage of the car, and the price of the car. And we can use data to search for specific things. In this example, we have been asked to identify which car has the least mileage. So the first thing we do is go to the column heading of mileage. And in this column, we are looking for the lowest data value. And once we find this data value, we move along the row to the left and we can identify the car as being a Mondeo. One of the oldest forms of data collection in the world are tally marks. And tally marks are usually used to keep a running score of something. In this example, the scores are kept of the number of cars washed by each child. And from the tally marks we can see Jack has washed 3 cars, Mary 2 cars, Jill 5 cars, and James 4 cars. And if we write these tally marks down as numbers, we create a frequency table. And this frequency table can be used to analyze the data. And this bar chart illustrates the data from the tally marks. Along the x-axis we have the individuals who washed the cars, and along the y-axis we have the number of cars washed, which corresponds to the values in the frequency table. The good thing about a bar chart is we have a visual representation of the information. In this example, the data from the frequency table has been used in a pictogram. A pictogram simply uses an image or picture to represent the data values. A pictogram always has a key, and this key helps convert the images into data values. Another way of representing data is to use a pie chart. A pie chart is a circle divided into segments. In this example, each segment represents a value from the frequency table. And again, as with pictograms, pie charts usually have a key. There are many ways of illustrating data. This is an illustration of a line graph, and a line graph is very good for comparing changes in one value against another. This graph is illustrating the fact that after 6 minutes, the temperature of the water has been raised to 3 degrees centigrade. Remember, data is simply a collection of information in data tables, tally tables, bar charts, pictograms, pie charts, and line graphs, although these are only some of the ways by which data can be illustrated.